Hello there. Welcome to our final coursework, Client Project Closure and Reflection, which is enhancing the marketing strategy for Greenfood. These are the key contents we are going to have a look at. Greenfood is a leading player in the organic and sustainable food industry who aims to promote a healthier lifestyle through its organic food offerings. Also wishes to expand into pan-Indian locations, and they provide high quality, nutritious and environment friendly food products. In the overview of the current state analysis of green food, in the aspect of competitive market landscape, the company wishes to join or intends to join the highly competitive pan-Indian market, which will be difficult as there is no digital footprint for green food. Also, there is an intense competition from other food companies like conscious food, like there is fluctuations in the cost of raw materials, risk of not adapting to evolving consumer preferences. Then the next one, in the aspect of growing demand or organic and sustainable food. Organic and sustainable food products are becoming increasingly popular. Like there is a growing trend towards healthy and sustainable foods potential to tap into a larger market beyond the current region. That's why they are expanding their business to pan-Indian locations. Also, Green Foods target audience are the health conscious individuals willing to pay a premium for quality organic food products. Greenfood has successfully delivered food products including starchy food, vegetables, dairy, protein, and fat, and they have strong commitment to producing high quality and healthy food products. A question might be arise like, what is the importance of an effective marketing strategy? Like a strong marketing strategy is essential for green food to stand out, attract customers, and build a loyal customer base. Like it not only drives sales but also communicates the company's values and differentiates from the major competitors. And our research objective is to develop a comprehensive marketing strategy for green food. We are adopting the agile methodology for the same. A relevant case study for green food could be the success story of organic food brand Conscious Food, which is also located in India. Green food could learn from the Conscious Food success in building a strong brand identity. They build a strong online presence through its e-commerce platform and leveraging digital marketing channels to reach its audience. By emphasizing its commitment to sustainability and natural farming practices, green food could differentiate itself from its competitors and appeal to health conscious and socially responsible consumers. The conscious food also uses social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and all to engage its customers and share the information about its products. Also, they have a blog section in their website for sharing the articles related to health and wellness, sustainable living, and organic farming. When it comes to the solution testing plan, criteria, evaluation, and outputs, we're adopting the agile methodology, which focus on uh, collaboration, adaptability, and delivering value to customers in shorter cycles. By embracing the agile principles, Green Food can respond quickly to market changes, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive innovation. So the testing plan involves implementing the proposed strategies, monitoring their performance, assessing the impact on key performance indicators. The proposed test plan comprises of branding enhancement, digital presence and SEO, social media marketing, and outbound marketing. The branding enhancement is implementing the branding elements, including the logos, such as mentioned here, the greens, eat green, be healthy, these logos and visual identity, messaging across marketing channels such as social media and also outbound marketing, and creating the sample advertisements and content with new branding ideas. And the search engine optimization or SEO is another marketing strategy that Greenfood could implement, like developing and optimizing the website for relevant keywords and a user experience. Also measuring the baseline search engine rankings, it's a method of implementing the SEO strategy. Also, the SEO strategy we can monitor the metrics, baseline metrics, and the website's traffic over a specific period of time. That's a marketing strategy. The next step of the test plan includes the social media marketing, which is obviously developing a content calendar and scheduling the social media post, like sample advertisements and all, by monitoring the engagement metrics for each and every social media post and marketing campaigns, like monitoring the metrics such as likes, shares, comments, and follower growth, etc. Also, we can track the website traffic for each and every social media post. The final step of test plan is the outbound marketing, rolling out the advertising campaigns in a traditional way, like participating in the selected trade shows for health conscious individuals and tracking the number of leads generated. Obviously, as we done for the social media marketing in a traditional way, we can see the number of leads generated from each campaign and the trade shows and monitor the rate of leads and convert them. When it comes to the test criteria for the branding enhancement, consistency is the key. While branding across various marketing materials, there should be a consistency. Also, when we incorporate the positive survey or focus group feedback, it should be aligned with the Greenfood's values, and it should attract the target audience. When it comes to the digital presence and search engine optimization, there should be an improvement in the organic search rankings when it is implemented, and the organic website traffic compared to the baseline. When we compare to the baseline, there should be an increase in the organic website traffic. For both social media and outbound marketing, the engagement metrics or the lead generation is the key. For in the case of social media marketing, likes, shares, comments compared to the previous social media campaigns would be the key aspect, like growth in number of followers on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all. The growth in the number of followers can be assessed. Also the website traffic. In the case of outbound marketing, higher the number of leads generated. The leads generated from the campaigns and trade shows, as mentioned earlier, improved conversion rate of leads into customers. The outputs of the testing is mainly dependent upon the database provided by the clients, which gives insights into the client's financial position and sales statistics. The company's inadequate growth rate is solely due to the lack of our web presence and promotion. So the output likes the branding enhancement, digital presence and SEO, social media marketing, and outbound marketing would serve as tangible evidence of effective marketing strategy of green food, and obviously for the growth of the green food. Monitoring the test output is one of the major or important part, like regularly reviewing the marketing materials for consistency. There is the consistency is the key, and tracking the website traffic and keyword rankings. Always we have to compare the post implementation metrics with the baseline metrics. When it comes to the lead generation and the lead conversion metrics, with we have to compare the metrics with the baseline or the metrics we have received from the previous campaign, and monitoring the engagement metrics using social media analytic tools, also tracking the website referral traffic through Google Analytics, and leads and conversion in a CRM. We can implement a CRM tool for leads and conversion analysis. And another biggie is analyzing the survey or focus group results, which is tailored to the customer feedback. So the adjustment to the solution model. We are incorporating a product feedback to the solution model. A survey to gather initial feedback on the new branding appeal and alignment with the company's values, which would definitely aids in identifying the products that consumer prefers, and also we will be getting an upfront sense to which product should be promoted and which product the consumer prefers. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential to identify areas for improvement and potential adjustments. One of the recommended adjustment and amendment is gather customer feedback and conduct surveys, which could lead to need for further optimization around these high performing keywords or adjusting the content strategy to address the emerging trends in search queries. And if there are any inconsistencies or negative feedback, consider refining the messaging, visual identity, or the brand logo to better align with customers' preference and Greenfood's values. Also, the SEO strategy. Monitor the engagement metrics to determine which social media platform are yielding the best results. If a particular platform is not delivering the expected engagement or conversion, consider reallocating resources from Facebook to WhatsApp or WhatsApp to Instagram, such as. And also monitor the engagement metrics closely, evaluate the ROI. If a certain advertising campaign or trade show is not generating the desired number of lead conversions, it might be necessary to reallocate resources to channels that have demonstrated higher effectiveness. This Power BI visualization gives insights to Greenfood's sales statistics. It's a sales dashboard, which from the April 2022 to March 2023. Like the overall sum of gross total is currently like 14 million, and the sum total for particular like uh, we have added a filter like top 10 customers, like the gross total by client and sales type. You can see that Sulaiman is the one of the uh, top client, and Green Line Trading Company and Nesto Hypermarket are the next ones, coming ones. And there is the total sales by clients and also the local sales. The gross total sales is also indicated for Greenfood. The interpretation and application in comparison to data analysis and hypothesis. So the digital engagement hypothesis, like the active social media engagement leads to increased brand awareness. If the brand social media engagement rates like shares, comments, likes, and all increases, then a rise in brand awareness should be observed. So it's a null hypothesis. When it comes to the market growth hypothesis, the market for sustainable and organic food will continue to grow. So, analyzing the sales data of organic and sustainable foods over the past years, if sales have consistently been rising, it gives credence to the hypothesis. So, this hypothesis is valid and supportive. And the customer behavior hypothesis. The customer behavior hypothesis means customers prefer organic food products due to health concerns. So, if health is a concern, consistently rank as the top among the top reasons, the hypothesis would be supported. This is also a supportive hypothesis. The success of green food is mainly dependent on the core values shifting the consumer landscape. There should be a digital footprint or digital presence for green food, and the proposed solution, like a rigorous feedback centric approach, it should be implemented, and the real time consumer feedback tend to enjoy higher market resonance and loyalty. Today's consumers are increasingly reliant on digital platforms for product research, review, and purchasing. So, for as the next step for Greenfood must invest in expanding its digital footprint with an intuitive website, e-commerce integration, and strategic social media presence. And the market analysis and segmentation, feedback mechanisms, community engagement, product diversification, continuous innovation, sustainability audits, collaborative ventures, capacity building, periodic review. Greenfood should conduct region specific surveys to understand the nuances of consumer preferences across pan Indian market, allowing for more tailored product offerings and marketing strategies. Also, should incorporate a proposed product feedback form on all digital platforms, engage in periodic focus group discussions, and garner in-depth qualitative feedback. E-commerce platform can facilitate a wider reach and cater to a tech-savvy demographic. So, in recommendation, Greenfood should build an integrated e-commerce platform and introduce loyalty and reward systems to incentivize repeat purchases and referrals, enhancing the customer retention and organic brand promotion, innovative marketing strategies such as experimental marketing like pop-up shops and augmented reality experiences to engage consumers in unique ways. The client has given a feedback like a research and skill that went into our recommended solutions were overwhelmed them, and the emphasis on digital platforms transformations resonated with their internal discussions, and they appreciated for that, and also outlined the e-commerce integration and the concept of campaigning and promoting the regional foods was exciting. That's also the one of their comments, and the feedback mechanism has motivated them to they're already working on the feedback mechanism and adapting to consumer preferences. The client needs some clarification on some areas like uh, they need us to suggest some potential partners like partner with health and fitness influencers, wellness centers, and environmentally conscious organizations to enhance brand credibility and expand outreach. Also, they would like to know about the potential of blockchain technology, like adopting advanced technologies like blockchain for supply chain transparency, which will allow the consumers to trace the origin for their of their food, fostering trust and transparency. The key lessons learned. Understanding a brand's mission, goals, and values, as well as the broader market landscape, is crucial for developing effective strategies. There should be a comprehensive approach ensures that recommendations are aligned with both the brand's identity and the market trends. So the holistic understanding is essential. And when it comes to the importance of integration, like every brand, regardless of the industry, should prioritize digital integration to remain relevant, competitive, and to tap into a rapidly growing audience segment. And the feedback as a continuous learning platform. The incorporating a feedback, it's not enough to launch a strategy. Continuous feedback and adaptability are paramount. Like their value derived from them underscore the importance of iterative learning. Also, the local nuances matters, like strategies need to be tailored according to resonate with specific demographics. In areas where concepts or products are new or misunderstood, consumer education can be the significant differentiator. And the value of collaborations, the partnerships and collaborations, whether for promotional purposes or mutual growth, can significantly amplify a brand's reach and credibility. And the sustainability, it's not just a trend, and the consultants must recognize and adapt to this evolution, like understanding that sustainability is here to stay. The growing demand for sustainable and organic food products indicates a deep rooted shift in consumer values. The Gibbs reflective cycle. The goal was to enhance brand visibility, communicate sustainability, and attract a wider customer base. So we developed a comprehensive marketing strategy for Green Food, encompassing the branding, digital presence, social media, and outbound marketing. And the feelings were like I was so excited about the potential positive impact for our strategies, and a bit anxious considering the competitive market and the need to differentiate Green Food effectively. While evaluating, everything was good. Like it was a little bit slow, but the rebranding efforts were really successful and gave Greenfood a more sustainable and socially responsible image. And the branding is in the final stage, and also the company has started hiring for marketing team in collaboration with Out There Communication Private Limited. And the analysis, the success of rebranding and social media indicates the effectiveness of conveying Greenfood's values visually and engaging the audience. And the website is being developed, and they're updating the development with the consultant and outlining the key aspects. So, in conclusion, the social media engagement could be enhanced by identifying the most resonant content types and posting frequently, like scheduling, calendaring the social media post, and more proactive SEO strategies should be incorporated or implemented. And the action plan would be conducting extensive marketing research, the market research, audience analysis before launching outbound campaigns, continuously monitoring the social media engagements, and implementing a more proactive multi-phased SEO strategy, including link building and content optimization. These are the references. Thank you.